A former plant worker received an 8-year prison sentence for committing wire fraud and cheating his employer out of nearly $500,000, the Department of Justice announced. The perpetrator, 57-year-old John Laakso, who also went by John Trebesh, reportedly worked as a contractor and later became an engineering manager at GAF Materials Corporation's roofing factory in Savannah, Georgia. His responsibilities included securing equipment and services for the facility, which makes products for residential and commercial roofing applications. Court documents indicated that from 2021 to 2023, Laakso awarded lucrative contracts to personal pass-through companies for services he never performed and for goods and work at fraudulent rates. He then subcontracted a real vendor to deliver the services at a lower cost and pocket the difference. The DOJ reported that the scheme resulted in $1.3 million in fake invoices. Laakso initially faced 4 counts of wire fraud, which carried a statutory penalty of up to 20 years in prison. He pled guilty to 1 count and later received a prison sentence of 96 months. The latest DOJ release did not mention any fines or restitution. With origins that date back to 1886, GAF operates nearly 30 facilities across the U.S. The Savannah factory, where Laakso worked, manufactures underlayments, ridge cap shingles, and multi-ply construction roofing products, and began operating in 1968. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.